Welcome to Outshot and Pragraj, legal dictation for Allahabad High Court APS exam special. So be ready. Start. The Gujarat High Court has permitted the premature withdrawal of fixed deposit receipt of the compensation awarded in motor accidents claims to an Air Force person who intended to purchase a house for his permanent residence. Full stop para. Quote, the deposited money are of the claimants. Full stop. The literates can prudently exercise discretion, manage their funds, and can individually decide about systematic planning for investing the money. Full stop. In case of literate person, the tribunal is required to give relaxation by not adopting pedantic approach of investing the money in long-term FDR without recording reasons for investing the money in long-term deposits. Full stop. Decode para. The High Court also observed that tribunals are often taking a rigid stand and are mechanically ordering that the compensation should be invested in long-term FDRs. Full stop para. The petitioner herein, a radar operator, with the Indian Air Force was in need of a permanent residence for his family. Full stop. The petitioner was required to furnish 20 lakh for the same. Full stop. He had submitted earnest money but required the remaining sum. Full stop. As a result, he had moved the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal for premature withdrawal in FDR. Full stop. The same was partly allowed. Full stop. The petitioner had taken a bank loan for the house. Full stop. Para. The petitioner submitted that the tribunal had failed to invoke the parens patriae jurisdiction wherein it could allow the withdrawal considering the sale agreement which was presented and the nature of the cause. Full stop. The tribunal had rejected the liquidation of FD on the ground that agreement of a fixed property like a residential house was not a registered document. Full stop. Hence, the tribunal viewed it as a hoax. Full stop para. The petitioner placed reliance on A.B. Padma and others versus R. Venugopal and others, to argue that thoughtful consideration must be given to genuine requirements of the claimant and should avoid mechanical approach, ignoring the object and the spirit of the act. Full stop. Further, reference was made to General Manager, Kerala State Road Transport Corporation, Trivandrum versus Susma Thomas and others, within bracket 1994 to SCC 176 to reiterate the apex court's instance that in case of literate persons seeking premature withdrawal, the tribunal can relax the criterion of making sure that the amount is not used as a ruse to withdraw money. Full stop. The physical background and the strata of society to which the claimant belongs needs to be factored in for the same. Full stop. Para. The High Court particularly noted from the Susma Thomas judgment column. Para. Quote, in all cases, tribunal should grant to the claimant's liberty to apply for withdrawal in case of an emergency. Full stop. To meet with such a contingency, if the amount awarded is substantial, the claims tribunal may invest it in more than one fixed deposit so that if need be one such FDR, can be liquidated. Full stop. Decode. Para. From the A.V. Padma judgment, Justice Gopi concluded that sufficient discretion had been given to the tribunal to exercise, considering the need of the claimant, full stop. In case of literate persons, comma, the tribunal should not adopt a pedantic approach of investing money in the longer term in FDRs without recording a reason for the same, full stop. The High Court discarded the rationale that the sale agreement could not be considered for withdrawal due to non-registration, full stop. Para. Nothing the hardship it would cause the claimant if the premature withdrawal was not allowed, comma, the High Court permitted premature withdrawal with interest upon receipt of the judgment order, full stop. ये आपका टोटल 552 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन था। अगर पहली बार आप नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं तो कम से कम प्रयास करिए कि 5 से 6 बार इसको लिखिए यदि आपका APS का एग्ज़ाम है तो। इससे नीचे बिल्कुल मत लिखिएगा, जिससे इसके जो भी वर्ड्स आए हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएं। ओके, और जो कुछ स्क्रीन पे दिखाई पड़ रहा है उसके माध्यम से यदि आप जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो भी आप हमको कॉल कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।